Hello friends, you know that effective counseling is very necessary for life. We know that words have magical power to change your behavior. You would be a better person if your counseling is better. That means quality of life is the way we counsel, we communicate with others. So you would aim to know that 70% of the disease originates in our body only due to our mental status, mental problem like tension, anxiety, frustration, etc. etc. So, human psychology always play a vital role on our health system or our success. Let's discuss and learn some common tips and tricks that would make you a better counselor. Learn the lesson of communication so that you can be a better speaker. You can bring your counseling skill to next level by knowing some common tips and tricks. Let's begin the lesson. People accompanies many wonderful things when they get themselves connected with each other in the society. Communication is key to success. Communication it means focusing, questioning, negotiation, and self understanding are the four pillars for the successful counseling. Whether you are a doctor, engineer, tutors, parents, or a salesman, anybody in the society, communication skill and counseling skill is very necessary for your survival in professional life. Increase your professionalism, know your client and customer, learn continuously through online lesson. Always try to upgrade yourself. You should deal with your client emotionally and motivate them for your product and your service. Counseling is both art and skill. The vital thing in counseling is your personality and your approaching style. Know your client's mindset. Deal with them according to their personality and according to their mindset. Just try to figure out what is the basic motive of your client, why the client is come to you, and what type of product and service the client just expecting from you. Motivate them. Always think that your client is your biggest. What I mean to say that just try to figure out what is your client's motive and mindset rather than impeaching your own idea and thoughts on them. Successful people are those have successful habit. If you change your habit, you can change your destiny. Words are unquestionably the most powerful potent weapon in this world. So always be logical while you are counseling or while you are in your communication. So always be honest. Wise men speak because they have something to say, but fools speak because they have to say something. Words have energy, power, and ability to help and heal. Alternatively, the power of destruction, power of harm, power to harm or humiliate others. Counseling is a skill that you can learn and excel on it. It is like riding a bicycle, swimming, or typing. If you want to rapidly improve your communication skill, what you have to do is that you have to work on it. Practice makes a man perfect. I would strongly recommend you to be honest on your approach. If you think that you can make a fool out of someone by your wicked trickery, you are telling lie to yourself. Honesty plays the long run. Believe that you can do that. Know your adversary. Know and always collect data of your competitor. Then you would have some upper edge. You can tackle difficult situation. You can build trust on your client, and there is no shortcut for success. So you have to do proper planning. Again, I want to say that have patience. be a man of your word. Sooner or later, you will find success in your way. Best of luck. Communication and counseling require at least two people with whom you can share and receive information and knowledge that you have accumulated. At last, I would say that always be a worshipper of knowledge and skill. You would be neither be an efficient speaker nor an efficient counselor in one day. Slow but sure constantly get success, so you have to work hard with and you have to provide yourself sufficient time. So best of luck guy, learn, share and explore your knowledge. Bring your counseling skill, bring your communication skill to next level. So please share, comment and subscribe my channel, and I would say that help me to help you. Love you all. Thank you. See you. I would say that sayonara. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you.